There's a moment in a man's life that doesn't come quietly. It doesn't knock. It doesn't ask for permission. It hits when he finally realizes something terrifyingly simple. The cost of unfulfilling comfort is now higher than the cost of change. That's the moment everything splits. Because from there, a man only has two paths. He either wakes up and changes everything, or he doubles down on numbness. There is no third option. A lot of men don't choose small lives. They don't wake up one day and say, I want to be miserable. I want to feel trapped. I want to look back with regret. I want to keep this empty marriage. That's not how it happens. They slide into it easily and slowly, one compromise at a time. They eventually tell themselves, this is just how it is now. I'll do it later. At least it's stable. And those words feel reasonable. They feel mature. They feel responsible. Until one day they wake up at retirement and realize later never came. And that's if they were lucky enough to live that long. No passport stamps, no risks taken, no body they respected, no life they chose. Just routines and obligations. Just a life that continuously got smaller. Each day, year, and decade the same as the last. And the worst part, they saw it coming. Deep down, they always knew. That's why this moment is so violent when it hits. Because once you see the future you're drifting toward, and you don't respect it, you can't unsee it. That's when the pressure builds. Not from the outside, from the inside. Your soul starts rejecting the life you're tolerating. And suddenly the fear flips. Change used to be scary. Now, staying the same is terrifying. That's why some men wake up and rebuild everything. They change how they train, how they work, how they love, how they move through the world. And other men, they double down. They get quieter, more bitter, more sarcastic, more tired, more moody. They convince themselves this is just adulthood. But what it really is surrender. If this video makes you uncomfortable, good. It's supposed to. Because discomfort is the signal. It's the war cry from your inner warrior refusing to settle any longer. And once it goes off, you don't get the privilege of ignoring it forever. Eventually, you either get up and fight, or you fall back into safety, knowing exactly what you're avoiding. This is the line in the sand. Because the truth is simple. The man you'll be in 20 years is being built right now. By the things you tolerate, by the dreams you postpone, by the risks you keep saying you'll take later. And later is a lie men tell themselves until time collects the debt. There is no third option. Wake up and change everything while you still can. Or stay asleep and live with the consequences. The choice is yours.